Creating motion graphics the traditional way usually means spending hours in After Effects setting up layers, adding keyframes, and making endless adjustments. But with the AI release, things have completely changed. Now you can generate motion graphics like this in just minutes. In this video, I will show you how to create motion graphics and product animations easily. For this tutorial, I will use IMini, an all-in-one AI platform that includes many of the most popular AI video and image models along with AI assistants. IMini includes the latest Nano Banana 2 model and the newest Kling models. We will use these models to create most of the motion graphics in this video. You can find the link to IMini in the description below. First, we will create a United States map animation. Then, we will create a bar chart animation. Finally, I will show you how to create viral cinematic exploded component animations. To access Nano Banana in IMini, go to the AI image section and select the Nano Banana 2 model. The first step in creating this map animation is to take a screenshot of the United States from Google Maps. This screenshot will be used as the start reference image. Next, I want to modify the United States map. I have already prepared the prompt and you can find all the prompts in the description. I want to create a map where the entire land area of the United States is covered with the USA flag texture. The map zooms in slightly so the United States becomes the main focus. The border of the United States is highlighted with a bright neon white glowing outline. In IMini, you can also change the aspect ratio, improve the quality, and generate multiple image variations. For this example, I will leave all settings at their default values and click Create. It usually takes about a minute for the image to generate. When the image is ready, you can regenerate it if needed. You can also use the image as a reference, edit it precisely, extend it, upscale it, remove the background, or even generate a video directly from it. I will use this generated image as the reference. Next, I want to generate map image and add landmarks to the map. You can choose any landmarks you like. The Nano Banana 2 model has world knowledge, so it can place landmarks in the correct locations. For this example, I want to add three 3D landmarks: the Statue of Liberty in New York, the Golden Gate Bridge in California, Walt Disney World in Florida. After generating the image, the result looks good. The landmarks are placed in the correct locations, but they are a bit too small. So I adjust the prompt to make the landmarks larger. Now the result looks exactly how I want it. I will download this final map image so we can start creating the video animation. To create the animation, go to the AI video section and select Image-to-Video. For the video model, choose Kling 2.6. First, I will create an animation from the original map screenshot to the zoomed-in map covered with a flag. Then I will create another animation from the flag-covered map to the map with landmarks. By breaking the animation into steps, I can control the result better and avoid wasting credits on incorrect generations. For the start frame, I upload the original map screenshot. For the end frame, the map covered with a flag, I also prepared a prompt describing the animation. I want the camera to smoothly zoom toward the United States. A bright neon white glowing line should trace the borders of the country. After the border appears, the interior of the United States should gradually transform into the USA flag texture. I will leave the settings at their default values, set the animation length to 5 seconds and turn the sound off. Then I click Create. After about 1 minute, the video is ready. The result looks very professional and the animation follows the prompt exactly. Once you are happy with the result, simply download the video. I will follow the same steps to generate the second animation. After creating the two video clips, you can combine them in CapCut to create the final animation. Now that we have the first motion animation, let's move to the second example, a bar chart animation. Go back to the Nano Banana model. Let's say I want to create a chart showing my sales growth by month. I don't have a chart yet, so I will generate one using a prompt. I want to create a chart showing 7 months of growth data with a trend line to show the growth pattern clearly. The background will be pure white. I will leave the settings at their defaults and click Create. The result looks very good. Clean, professional, and exactly what I asked for. I will download this chart image. This will be the end frame of the animation. Now I need to generate the start frame. For the initial chart, I will create a version where all months show 1% growth and no trend line. I will use the first chart as a reference and click Create. The start frame image is now ready. To create the animation, go to the AI video section and select Image-to-Video. Upload the start frame and end frame images. I want to animate the bars so they rise simultaneously to their final values. After the bars finish rising, the trend line should appear and move across the chart. I will set the video length to 5 seconds and leave the sound off. After about a minute, the animation is ready. The result looks great, exactly as I requested. Now let's create another example, a viral exploded product component animation. In this example, I will create an animation of an AI processor chip. For this, we need 2 images, the normal product image and the exploded version of the product for the end frame. I prepared prompts to generate both the normal product image and the exploded version. Let's generate the images and download them for the animation. Once both images are ready, go to the AI video section and select Kling 2.6. Choose Image to Video, upload the normal product image as the start frame and the exploded version as the end frame. Then write a prompt describing the animation. I want the animation where the processor chip slowly lifts from the surface and separates into an exploded view. After about a minute, the video is generated and the result looks very professional. To create the reverse animation, where the parts move back together, repeat the same process but swap the images. Use the exploded image as the start frame. Use the normal product image as the end frame. Write a prompt where all components slide together in slow motion, then generate the video again. You can then use simple video editing software like CapCut to combine the explosion animation and the reverse animation into one final video. All the prompts I used in this video are linked in the description below, so you can try them yourself and start creating your own motion graphics. And if you want to learn more about AI tools and how to use them, make sure to subscribe for future videos.